Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about the option buying strategy. This is basically option buying trend following strategy. So let's straight away get to the graphs and the let's talk about it. So basically for this you have to understand you need two indicators. I repeat, you need two indicators. One is fractals and alligator. Okay, and the first thing we have to do is you have to find the opening price of the spot. That will be a Nifty 50. Once you find the opening price of this spot, find at the money call option and put option. I'm repeating, find the at the money call option and put option. Open both the graphs. The left side you see it's call option and the right side you see it's a put option. So basically in this strategy you will only look for buying opportunities. So the principle is very simple. You will only look for the buying opportunities. I repeat, you look only for the buying opportunities. Set a time frame for 3 minutes because it's an intraday strategy. Set it for 3 minutes because it's an intraday strategy. So basically what you have to do is you have to wait a previous fractal to be broken. This candle broke the previous fractal alongside the alligator confirmation. What is alligator confirmation? Is basically the green, you see the green should cut through red and blue lines. Once it's cut through red and blue line, that is a pure indication you will be taking entry at this candle, and exit will be when when the candle hits the previous fractal, and the stop loss will be low of previous two fractals, which is the lowest of previous two fractal. So basically, see this, there are two fractals over here, this. So previous two fractal, which is a low, this will be a low, right? So this will be your stop loss, and this will be your entry. Okay, once you enter this trade, your exit will be somewhere here because this candle hit the previous fractal. So this candle broke the previous fractal's value. So basically this is how you follow trend option buying trend based strategy. So if the market trend is really good, then definitely this strategy will help you to fetch few good money. For example, I'll show you there are more. The same goes for the put and call. Basically, what you saw was a call, and if you feel the market is going down, you have to look for an opportunity where you can buy it. If you ask me, over here you can say yes. Over here you can say there was an entry, and this would have been your exit. I'll repeat. I'll show you. This would have been your entry, and this would have been an exit. So you didn't capture much over here, but if the trend is really good, you'll definitely able to capture more points. So basically how many points will you be able to capture at this side? Let's see. There will be a slippages, so make sure keep that in consideration. It will be just few points, I believe. 8 to 10 rupees. Yeah, it's 12 rupees. If you say it's 12 rupees, 12 into 75, yeah, basically how much it is? Let's see, 75 into 12, 900 rupees per lot. Yeah, per lot you will be able to earn 95 rupees. If the trend is really good, trust me, you can capture easily 50 to 60 points. Let's see for the different time frame. If you ask me, you would be able to find it, but you need to go through. Yeah, it's because it's 15,800 call option. You won't find the previous graphs of the candle performing really good because it was basically out of the money at the time. So right now it's in the money. So basically at the money, call and put option, that's what I have to look for. I repeat what we are supposed to do. First thing is you have to find a spot price. For that, what you have to do is, first step is very simple. See the spot opening price on when you see a spot opening price, see the at the money, get the at the money call option and put option. And if the market is going up, use the fractal as an entry. See if the candle is breaking the fractal. If the candle is breaking the fractal with the alligator indication, the green line is cut the red and blue line. Okay, and that indicates that's your entry, and your stop loss will be low of two fractals, previous two fractals, and your exit will be when the candle breaks the low of the fractal. For example, if you ask me to see if you have taken a trade somewhere here, if the candle breaks this fractal, low of this fractal, then that's where you exit the trade. And if you ask me regarding the positions for the trade today, basically, let's see, the market is closed here. I still feel the market is very bullish, very bullish, and today's trade was a bit weird. The market was very volatile, went down 60 points, came up. So just like consolidating or profit booking, that's what I believe. I believe this trend will resume tomorrow. It's just because of Bank Nifty, the market has been brought down. The Bank Nifty is underperforming like from the last few days. So that's the sole reason. I believe if HDFC is able to perform really good, then definitely Nifty would hit 16,000 without a doubt. And for the position that I'm holding right now, I'm looking forward for this expiry. So I believe my target will be 7 to 8,000 for the 15,400 put option, and I don't know 15,700. I still believe it's able to achieve 5,000 if the market is trendy tomorrow, or somewhere if the market is able to pass 15,800 mark, then the market definitely looks as a really good sign. If the market is trendy, definitely this week, this Thursday, I will definitely have a really good opportunity to capture more points. That's all for today. I believe you guys enjoyed the short tutorial how to buy only option with the trend following strategy. If you have any doubt, you can definitely comment down in the section, and also you can definitely join Telegram and definitely ask your questions directly. I will definitely love to help you guys out. That's all for today, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.